Welcome to Brandwin.en, India's largest B2B buying platform. In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step on how to place a wholesale purchase on Brandwin.in website. Before getting started, you'll need to log in using your phone number with OTP verification. This ensures a secure and seamless shopping experience. So, whether you're a startup, retailer, or business looking for cost-effective sourcing, stay tuned as we walk you through the entire process. Step 1 is completed. You'll find products across various categories in the website: clothing and accessories, electronics and electricals, personal care and beauty products, home and kitchen gadgets, and many more. Now, on the home page, you'll see a Brandwin Wholesale banner. Click on it to explore a wide range of wholesale products. Wholesale items online. Business exclusive deals. Here, you can find a wide variety of sari collections, from elegant silk saris to trendy designer saris. Each product comes with detailed descriptions and wholesale pricing. Now let's move to the step 2, choosing a product. So this is the product I chose to purchase. If you're a reseller, Brandwin.in is the perfect platform for you. You can find high-quality wholesale products at competitive prices. You can find the detailed sari description, fabric type, color options, and wholesale prices. Here, you can also check the minimum order quantity, which is the number of pieces required for a bulk purchase. Let's move to step 3. Now, it's time to select the number of products you need. Use the quantity selector to increase or decrease the number of saris you want to purchase. The total price will update based on the wholesale rate. Remember, the minimum order quantity must be met to proceed with wholesale purchase in the website. The price per unit decreases as you add more items in the cart. The total cost updates instantly, showing the new discounted price. Some products have bulk pricing levels, meaning bigger discounts at higher quantities. As you increase the quantity in the cart, you'll notice the price per unit decreases, showing the benefits of Brandwin wholesale purchase. The system will automatically update the total cost and per piece rate, giving you a clear idea of the savings when ordering in larger quantity for your business. Once you've selected the desired quantity, it's time to add the items to your cart. Let's move to step 4, adding the items to cart. After adding items to your cart, it's time to review your order before finalizing the purchase. Go to your cart and check the selected products, quantity, and total price. Once everything looks good, click Proceed to Checkout to move to the payment and shipping details. If you have any Brandwin coupons, enter the code at checkout to unlock additional discounts on your order. The discount amount will be applied instantly, reducing your total cost. Now, let's move to the final step, making payment and completing the order. Click the Checkout button to move to the payment and shipping page. This will take you to the final step where you can enter your details and complete the purchase. Below the shipping details, you'll find different payment options. Since cash on delivery is not available, I'll select a prepaid payment method and proceed to make the payment for the order. We are heading to the final step. Let's quickly make the payment. You'll be redirected to the payment page where you can choose credit card, debit card, UPI, or net banking. I'm choosing UPI and selecting the QR code option to scan and make the payment from my smartphone. Just follow the steps shown in the video to complete the process. And that's it, guys. After making the payment, you'll instantly get order confirmation with all the details. Once your order is shipped, you'll also receive a tracking ID so you can keep an eye on your package. Congrats, your wholesale purchase is done. Now go ahead and scale your business with Brandwin. Thank you for watching.